Okay, we will solve this one. The square root of 2x plus 1 equals 5. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to square both sides. Okay? 2x plus 1. Square natin yan. Then si 5, square din natin yan. Then, cancel natin yung 2 at saka yung radical sign. Then, ano 2x plus 1 equals 25. Kasi 5 times 5 is 25. Then, 2x equals 25. We have to transpose si positive 1 to the right. So, magiging minus 1. Okay? Then, 2x equals 24. Okay, then, taas 2x, tuloy natin, equals 24. We have to divide both sides by 2. Okay, then cancel natin yung 2. So, x is equal to 12. Therefore, sa choices natin, letter B is the correct